Bless up to each and everyone. Tonight, I have a few things to talk about, so stick around for the details right after the intro. But remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. So tonight, I have this video with a group of NSWMA workers venting their anger, their disgust due to the lack of respect they're receiving, unfair treatment, and also unjust salary. As in, them said them I get little bit of money, it is not sufficient, they deemed it to be not enough, it is way below their expectations. So I guess they are sending a strong message to the board, their oversight body, whosoever is responsible for their well-being. And we know that garbage collection is very important right across the length and breadth of the world. However, I'm not dealing with the issue at hand, which is in my country. And in Jamaica, the job of garbage collection is a very isolated job, because some persons or most people tell themselves that they would never see themselves going around Jamaica on that blue unit collecting the waste of others or even their use and left. In other words, them now walk and pick up what people reject. And not only that, I would say it is a profession that they downgrade in their mental space and will never seems to upgrade with respect in the physical world. And the truth is, it is a very dedicated job. It is like going to the gym. You have to be mentally strong in consistency to be out there ensuring that Jamaica breathes a breath of fresh air. So they really deserve the highest respect. It is not an easy routine for them. Most of the time, the truck passes, it doesn't smell pleasant, and imagine that is just a couple seconds for your nostrils. So can you imagine the men and women that are static in that position on a day-to-day basis and have to stomach all that smell by someone else's fault? Because most likely, the persons that are employed to the MSWMA, to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, will not litter the street because they know exactly what it feels like to be rid in the place of that same garbage, or even worse. So they will practice cleanliness automatically, and the truth is, they are doing us a benevolent favor, and in return, we are supposed to respect that and acknowledge the fact that it is our fault as a people. So we need to be honest and treat them like how they are supposed to be treated. So here's the video. Be attentive, then leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section.
You need to come down and intervene.
So there you have it, and in this second video, it contains a taxi operator recording the daily routine checks of a police officer. And even though some might say he's capturing the footage for his own benefit to ensure he's on the right side of the law, we all know that most persons these days are using their smartphones to create unnecessary excitements or to expose a normal, natural error that will be made every now and then because we are all human. But what I'm concerned about is it will not be accepted by everyone in the force for you to be recording their identity to your pleasure, as in capturing images and videos of them as you so choose. You can't just take up your phone and have camera in my face capturing my image against my will without my approval, trying to defame my character. I mean, no, because most of the times during the recording of these videos, it is pure bitterness being said about members of the security forces. So I think the government needs to look at that while I have you looking at this video. Be attentive.
See it here? Nobody know in my vehicle. Nobody know in my vehicle. See it there? I'm at a bus stop. What's your name, sir? Constable what? Lindsay. Constable Lindsay. Documents them here. Documents them up to date. What was that?
Thank you, sir.
Same I go take with my vehicle, I mean, have you no passenger.
You don't want to go to work, sir. Yes, you do the camera.
No, you're not, me not finished. When we get back my documents, me turn off the camera.
Yeah, we talk, yeah.
Man, as my boss. No bother. I drive go down at the station, because I talk about him, I go see his vehicle. So I make sure drive go down at the station. Me I go down at the station, me dey down at the station. Me I go down at the station. Drive go down at the station.
So there you have it once more. And let me say something, because it seems as if Jamaicans, anyway, it is a role of the police. It is a role for the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force to stop any vehicle at any given time and do a check. So all when you see an empty car come up the road that is computer driven, with no one behind the steering wheel, with no one tangible behind the steering wheel, if them can find a way to stop the car and check, they are supposed to stop the car and check. We need to get that in our head as Jamaicans. See? Now, I want you to take a look at a motorcycle that parked in the front of a Toyota PROBOX. It is said that no serious injuries were reported, or what the rider sustained is not life-threatening. And this unexpected event ended like this.
A good man, stop still enough. Brother, they are good man.
I first missed this from the band.
Yeah man, bitch up in it. And now man, the bike fly over.
So far. The first never see this story.
So that is it, and always remember that the comment section is yours. So please leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. Also remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe.